Are you struggling with accounting and finance? I can relate as I was once in your shoes. I am an experienced and proven tutor at your disposal. Firstly, to introduce myself, my name is Indy, your go-to tutor for conquering accounting hurdles. If you're swimming in numbers, struggling with a tricky question, or just need a reliable accounting tutor, you are in the right place. Now, some quick facts about myself. I'm your one-on-one virtual tutor covering all of North America. Whether you're at a university, college, high school, or you're just keen to master the financial language to grow your career. I also conduct in-person tutoring in my Brampton, Ontario office. I essentially cover various accounting and finance courses starting from the first year all the way up to the master's and the CPA level. As an added bonus, I also teach Excel at a beginner's level and have key relationships with proven stats and English tutors. Why pick me over other tutors? Because I've been there, done that. With over 2,500 plus students tutored, a proven accounting professor, a 91% accounting GPA, and a master diploma of accountancy, I've got the skill sets to make accounting click for you. My Google reviews speak for themselves. I have the most Google reviews out of all tutoring companies within North America. So now what sets me apart from other tutors exactly? So during my undergrad, I found my professors very boring when it came to accounting. So I used to skip class and I used to head over to the library and essentially teach myself accounting. I taught myself accounting in a very unique way, which is what I in turn teach my students. Are you ready to counter accounting with me? If so, reach out now and redefine your success story.